What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from Amazon to Shopify. Now this is very easy and quick. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to open your own Shopify store, okay? And the second thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, click on apps and sales channels, click on Shopify App Store in the top right. That's it. You need to download an app. It's called Amazon Dropshipper. Okay, this is the name of the app. It's called Amazon Dropshipper plus Walmart. Okay, click on add app, wait a few seconds. I don't know why this is the problem. Okay, click on install app in the top right. So after you click on install app, you need to do one other thing, which to go to Amazon, open Amazon, find a product that you want to import to your Shopify store. So I'm going to go with this one, copy the URL. This is the URL, okay? This is it. Copy the whole URL, click on this, click here, copy, go back to the app, paste that link here, click on get product. After, guys, you click on get product, you can also edit the description, images, variants, the price. You can edit everything you want, okay, if that's what you want. And after that, guys, after you edit what you want, click on add to my store, and it says here, please wait, adding product. You will find this product inside your own Shopify store. Go to Shopify, click on products. Okay, click on products here, and you will find that product inside your own Shopify store. So if you have any questions or you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. As you can see, product has been added successfully. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please drop a like on this video and see you guys next video.